Good day. Today will be a very quick video on how to change the temperature sensor on your Mercedes. You are right now on the largest Mercedes W124 channel that exists. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. First off, where is our sensor? Well, it's here. You see, in front of the engine, we've got the hose here, and it's right here. Okay. So what we will need to change it? Well, very easy. A spanner of 19. Obviously, the sensor itself. I will give you, as usual, the part number. And for this, what we will do is simply disconnect it. We'll pull this towards the top, and that's it. That will be done. To take it off, we place our spanner. We give it a few knocks with the hand. That's it. And we unscrew it. So it takes a bit of some time to take it off. It's quite long, but no worries, it will come off. Once it's done, let's continue with the video. I now have it with me, okay? New one and old one. Be careful, there's an O-ring. Don't lose it, not to have any leaks later. Okay, so this goes back on it. You have to clean it, of course. Okay, so now why we will have to change this? Well, we'll have to change this if you see that on your dash the needle is not going quite right. You can see there's some problems, or you can see that this, for instance, like this one, is broken. Okay, so we simply change it. Okay, so what we do now, very easy. We just clean where it sits with a towel, whatever you've got. Okay, we don't forget to place the new one back, and the ring. Okay, and we tighten quite well. Some people will tell me maybe we can use a socket, but highly likely with the piping that's next to it for the diesel on this engine, it might not be possible. Okay, so now time to place it back. Now that it's fitted, we don't forget to connect it, and the job is done. As I've told you, very quick video, so that's it, it's done, which is a bit of a change from the norm. So I hope that's been useful to you. I hope that you've learned something new. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.